Hey guys, what's up? It's Caitlin. I am back with another Fashion Nova haul. I'm so overdramatic. I got a bunch of things on Fashion Nova. I couldn't go to sleep the other night, and so I went a little crazy on Fashion Nova. I actually ordered this on Saturday and it came in today, which is Wednesday, which I think that's pretty awesome. That doesn't always happen to me with Fashion Nova clothing, but they were pretty quick this time, so shout out to Fashion Nova for knowing your girl is impatient. I got some shirts, some shoes, some jeans, some pants. So let's go ahead and get right into it. As I'm talking about them, I'm just going to be putting the models up over here. Every shirt that I got is a size small. Every pair of pants I got is a size small. And the pair of jeans I got were a size 3. I usually get a size 1 in Fashion Nova jeans. I usually wear a size 0 in most other pants, but Fashion Nova fits pretty small actually. So I got a size 3 because the ones usually fit me, but I noticed that like if I go out to eat and I'm like sitting down in a restaurant and I like, you know, eat and get a little food baby, it's like uncomfortable. So I got a size 3. We'll see if it fits. They might be too big for me, but I just feel like it's uncomfortable to sit down in a size 1. But yes, I got this really pretty sweater. It's like this blue color. It's kind of like the color I'm wearing right now. It's really pretty. It was super cute on the model, so I'm going to go ahead and try that one on. I'm really excited about this one because the tie-up on the arm looks super cute. So it's going to be like, I don't know, it looks like a thicker sweater material too, but I will let you guys know in the try on clip. Alright guys, I love this one. I love the tie halfway down the arm. I also like the flaring of the arm. The coloring of the sweater is really pretty. And another thing I like too is a lot of crop tops will actually go higher up in the back. And I like the fact this one goes lower down. I like it like that, and I think that it's a better fit. The sweater itself is so pretty, and I just love how it fits. The jeans actually are the same jeans that the model is wearing. I'll link these up in the description bar below as well. But the outfit itself is just really cute, and I feel like it lives up to the picture. So the next thing I got was actually this little cami. I got this to go with a different shirt, but I'm still going to try it on and show you guys and then show you the shirt that I got to go with it. But yeah, it's just a super basic cami. It kind of goes down in a little swoop neck, and the material actually looks a little bit different than I thought it was going to, but we'll see what it looks like when I try it on. So yeah. Let's go ahead and try it on. Alright guys, this is the cami. I'm really loving how this fits. The only thing I can say about it is these straps are adjustable, and I have it tightened on the like tightest setting, and I feel like no matter what it keeps kind of coming down. But I actually got this shirt to go with the other shirt that kind of covers up this area right here, so I'm not too worried about it. I think it fits nice. I love bodysuits as like undershirts because I know they won't move around as much as the other undershirts. But yeah, it fits nice. I think it's cute. So this is the shirt that I got. This is actually really like fluorescent. I feel like it doesn't look this fluorescent on the model. But yeah, it's like this hot pink color, and it says thank you next on it. I was a little tired while shopping, so hopefully this is super cute. This isn't really technically my style, but I just like that it was Ariana Grande inspired. So hopefully I like this in the try on clip, but this just goes to show, like, never shop past like 12 o'clock at night. Hopefully it's really cute. I do like, it's kind of neon-y, but I kind of like the color. I did think it was a little bit more of a baby pink, but we'll see what I think about it once we try it on. This is the thank you next top. Is it weird that I like this? I don't know. It's different. I love how it cuts in the back. This material is like a blanket. Maybe that's why I like it. It is literally so soft. I don't know if you guys are catching that. And it fits perfectly. It goes below my wrist again, which I like. And I don't know, I think it's kind of cute. It's growing on me, it's different, and I just feel like, you know, you don't see different all the time, so I don't know, I like it. You guys let me know if I shouldn't be wearing this out and about, but I think it's pretty cute actually. But this next thing that I got is a little bit basic, I'm not gonna lie. It says baby girl on it. It's just like this long sleeve t-shirt kind of thing, but even though I saw a lot of people have this, and usually like to get things that are a little bit different, something about this, I couldn't let it go when it was in my shopping cart. I just wanted it, I needed it, I wanted it so bad. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try this on because I absolutely needed this. It just says baby girl right across. As I said before, it's just kind of a long sleeve and it looks a little croppy on the model. But yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. I think it'll be really cute. Alright guys, this is the baby girl shirt. I really like the material. It's not see-through at all. The fit is so nice. It just kind of cinches you in. It stops right at the jeans line all the way around. The arms stop a little bit below your wrist, which is really nice. And the fit is just perfect for me. I got a size small, as I said at the beginning of the video, and it just fits so nice. And it's just a really cute basic top. These are the jeans I got. I'm excited about these because I feel like they're going to be a little bit looser on me than the size 1. I'm a little bit nervous. They're just a distressed pair of black jeans. I needed a pair of black jeans just because I tend to stain all of mine with bleach and whatnot when I do hair. Yeah, since I needed these, I was like, let's get them in a size 3 and see what happens. But these are really cute. They're just distressed, and let's go ahead and try them on. I'll do a close-up of these as well, but I kind of just want to show you it with the outfit itself. I do definitely like this better with the darker pair of jeans. I think it's a lot cuter. But yes, these are the size 3. They are distressed, and let's go ahead and show you them close up. I love everything about these. They fit so nice. I can sit down comfortably. I love to do a sit down test because I never want to feel, you know, like I can't sit down in my jeans. And I think it's just because the Fashion Nova ones come up so high on your stomach that I had to go up an extra size. I do, as I said before, usually wear a size 0 in most jeans, but the 3 just fits me so nicely and I feel like I can actually sit down in them. And so yeah, these are my new favorite. I will definitely be ordering size 3 from now on, but they are super cute and they fit so nice. These are a pair of like pleather jeans. They've got that like shiny material to them. It looks like the pocket is fake, but I don't have a pleather pair of pants yet. So I was really excited about these. I got them in a size small. Hopefully they're long enough for me because it looks like it hit the model right at the ankles. And I'm a little bit tall, so we'll kind of see how that works out. But yeah, I'm pretty excited and let's go ahead and try them on. Are you guys ready for these pants? They literally fit so well. The back pocket is actually fake, but the front ones are real. And then the button is actually on the inside of the pants, but they're not like pokey at all, which I really like. The material's soft on the inside and the outside. I'm loving how they fit. There is extra material at the bottom of my foot, which I like because I am so tall. So most jeans actually don't fit me all the way down, but these ones do, and they're just so cute. This last shirt that I got, oh, my sister tried to talk me out of this one because it looks really distressed, but I loved it. It said, gosh, I can't even remember what it said. It said something about stay humble, hustle hard or something like that, and it's just, it looks like it's been distressed, and I was just really into it on the model. Yeah, hopefully I'm still really into it on me, but let's see what it looks like on. Alright guys, this is my Stay Humble, Hustle Hard shirt. Again, I got this in a size small, but it did come a little bit looser and more baggy, which I actually like. I kind of just got this to be like an edgy, chill kind of shirt, and I think that'll be perfect. It did look kind of like a sweatshirt in the picture, if I can remember that correctly, but it definitely is more of like a t-shirt material, which I'm not bothered by that. But yeah, I think it's cute. I really like the fit of how loose it is. If you did want to be tighter, I would recommend going down a size, but I really love how it fits. I love that I got a small, and I think it's really cute. This is the last thing I got. I'm a little concerned. I just took it out of the bag, and I should really show you guys. The last Fashion Nova box I got literally said Fashion Nova across the box, and it was super sleek. But this one is like duct taped, and it looks like it's been like beaten. But hopefully the shoes are still intact. Alright, that's just weird. So, you guys are probably going to judge me for these. I got these. They're like this baby pink. I don't know if it's picking up on the viewfinder, but I'm not gonna lie. I got these actually to go with a different dress from a different haul that I'm probably about to do. But I got this black dress in this baby pink color. It reminded me of like Legally Blonde. I'm so sad I feel like it's not picking up the color right now. But it's just like this really pretty like baby pink. I got it in a size 7.5 because last time in the size 7 I just feel like it really squished my toes like on this little strappy part here. So hopefully the size 7.5 isn't too big. Yeah, it's just really cute baby pink color. It reminded me of Legally Blonde. I bought a black strappy dress to go with this, and so hopefully it works out and they're not too big for me, but we'll go ahead and try them on and see. Alright guys, and these are the shoes. I love how fluffy they are. They're so cute. The only thing I can say is I went up a size so that way they could fit me a little bit better, and I feel like they're a little bit looser on the strappy part, but I feel like I can adjust that. I think they're cute. But yes guys, that is everything I got. Everything I got actually was 30% off just because they had a deal going on at the time. So I'm going to link everything in the description bar below, and hopefully they still have deals going on for you guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe. Comment in the comment section below if you guys have any questions, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!